Hello, welcome back. Today we're making this little cat. I used 2mm beads and 45cm of nylon cord. I also use some filling, but that's not necessary, you can do it without. Of course I made some graphics too. Let me explain. This shows the new beads we have to add. Here we have to pull the cord through one of the previous beads. And through this bead we have to pull both ends of our cord, so they are crossed. Now let's start with 3 beads. Then take a pink one. And now we pull both ends of our cord through this bead. Make sure your beads are in the center of your cord, so both ends have the same length. Here we have to add 2 beads to the left cord and pull both ends through another white one. Now you can just follow along with me and I'll explain some details here and there. Here we add 4 beads and pull our cord through the pink one. Now it should look like this. Just push all beads back to the rest of the cat. Now we can continue like before. From now on, we have to connect our beads to the previous row. Just pull your cord through the bead on the top. This also means that we only have to add 2 new beads per step. Here we have to add 3 beads and first pull the cord through the bead on the left and then the first one of the new beads. Now I take 2 beads and pass the cord through these 2. Now we can make 2 knots. And we're done with our first side. Before we continue, make sure the knots are in between the cats and hidden. When both sides are parallel to each other, we can start by first passing our cord through the first bead, adding a new one, and pull the cord through the second bead. Next we have to pass both ends of our cord through a new bead. Now we pass both ends through the next 2 beads. To keep the shape, I just cross the cords without adding a new bead. I do this in these 2 places and also around the ears. I just pull the cord through the bead on the opposite side. To fill this gap, we add a new bead. But here I skip one again. The bottom part we can do as normal. Of course, I repeat the same things on the other side, and like I said before, around the ears. Now we can add some of the filling. And continue like before. Now we pass both ends through the first bead. And then bring both cords to one side. Make a knot. And seal it with glue. Now we're done and you can incorporate your cat into your jewelry. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.